was right in here. When that part there fall down. And I was right in here, but till afterward I feel to myself that this one was going to go to, so I run out I run out. I go by down the road here. And the breeze picked me and I wet. But thank God, still get like a shelter. And then we come back here in the morning.
Don't get any help right now. No help don't come through yet.
And then I went at the window, standing over there, looking through the window, and I saw the window was shaking to and from, and I was wondering. Then I saw the zinc of the house of blue right over there. And then I was saying, is the window? Or is the roof? And then my son called out to me and said, Mama, the whole of my room gone. And we rushed to the rooms them, and all we could do is just try to throw some clothes out there to see what we could save for them, you know. But God is in the midst, and I believe in Him. And I still have hope, and I won't give up. The greatest loss that I experience right now is like, majority of it is like the children, majority of it is just like the children, beds, you know, and things. You know, the loss and the roof is all gone. But I believe by the help of God.
Alright, this is my house, and my name is Dwayne McCook. I'm from the Church of the Nazarene. But really when the storm came, I wasn't inside my house. I was one of my friend's house. I see this big old tree inside my house.